Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to delete applications from your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, firstly, click on this digital crown to open the application list and scroll until you will see the application that you want to delete. For example, I would like to delete this one. Hold your finger on this application until you will see that on every application appeared a little cross. After this, click on this cross and confirm that you want to delete the application. And that's it. Now let me show you how to delete applications on the list view. So, to turn on the list view, scroll to the end of this list and click on this button. After this, find the application that you want to delete. For example, I will choose this watch speed and hold your finger on it until you will see this same cross. Click on it and confirm that you want to delete it. And that's it. Now you know how to delete applications on your Apple Watch Series 9. And also, bonus tip, to switch from the grid to list and from list to grid, click on this digital crown and scroll to the end of page. Right here you can see this grid view, click on it, and if you want to switch back on the list, scroll down and click on list view. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.